everyone, my name is Hannah and I am a nutrition educator with Cornell Cooperative Extension of Jefferson County. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe that is fantastic for meal prep or for freezing for a future meal, and that is burrito soup. So you can make it in a big batch and have some for dinner and use leftovers for lunches throughout the week. It also freezes really well, and actually having it the next day helps the flavors meld together even more. It's also a really good recipe to have in your back pocket because it uses a lot of pantry staples. So it uses canned beans, canned refried beans, canned corn, and 2 cans of tomatoes. So when we're choosing canned options, we want to make sure that we're choosing low sodium varieties. In this recipe, we will be rinsing the corn and the beans, not the refried beans, but the other ones. So we'll be rinsing and draining those. But the tomato cans, we will be using all of the juices. So making sure that we're choosing lower sodium varieties when possible. We also have a recipe for healthy refried beans on the site, which whips them up really quickly and can be a great way to make this soup a little bit healthier. If you don't have canned options, you could go ahead and use either fresh or frozen in equal amounts. For this recipe, I'm using chopped carrots, but you could also use chopped zucchini or spinach, any other additional vegetable that you'd like to mix in. When you're preparing your cans for cooking, you want to make sure that you give the top of the cans a good rinse to make sure you're getting off any dust or germs before you open it up and make sure that none of those dust or germs is getting transferred to the food within. All right, let's go ahead and get started.